Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, teacher. My topic is all about professionalism in business communication. When we say professionalism in business communication ay nag-i-interact tayo sa isang tao or like example for business. Kailangan nating matutong maging professionalism in business kasi kung wala kang personality like professionalism in business is hindi magiging patok ang iyong business. Ang definition nito ay professionalism in business communication means maintaining a respectful, courteous, and competent manner when interacting with others. Yeah. So, kung gusto mong maging competent na businessman, ay kailangan mong maging respectful, kailangan mong maging courteous din, and competent manner when interacting with others. Kailangan matuto ka ding maging competent na meron ka ding manners. Yun nga, respectful. Characteristic of professional communication. Ang isa ay clarity. Clarity, messages are simple, direct, and easy to understand. So, kailangan meron tayong clarity sa pagiging professionalism natin sa business. Yeah. Kailangan easy to understand. Kumbaga, napaka-clear. Pangalawa ay ang conciseness. Information is presented briefly without unnecessary details. Yeah. So, kailangan direct to the point na tayo sa kung anong sinasabi natin without unnecessary details. Kailangan yung information na binibigay natin ay informative. Courtesy. Use a polite and respectful language. Kailangan magiging courtesy tayo sa isang tao or magiging, yun nga, professionalism. Bigyan natin ng polite and respectful language. Kumbaga, kung chapin sa Maguindanao, badsako sa konong ka. Correctness. Grammar, spelling, and facts are accurate. Kailangan alam natin kung ano ang binibigkas natin. Kung ito nga ba ay perfect grammar or spelling. Timeless. Respond promptly to messages and inquiries. At the last one is appropriate tone. Match the tone to